Today I'm showing you how to change your TikTok username and display name. Let's get started. Part 1. Change your username. Step 1. Open TikTok and go to Profile. Open the TikTok app and tap Profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. This takes you to your profile page. Step 2. Edit Profile. Tap Edit Profile button below your profile picture and bio. Step 3. Select Username. Tap Username, it's usually the first option in the list. Step 4. Enter New Username. Type in the username you'd like to use. Your username is what appears in your TikTok URL and is how people can search for you. It starts with an @ symbol. Step 5. Check Availability. As you type, TikTok will check if the username is available. If you see a green check mark, the username is available and you can use it. If you see a red X or error message saying, "This username isn't available," it means someone else is already using it. Step 6. Make it unique. If your desired username is taken, try variations. Add numbers, underscores, or periods to make it unique. For example, if John Doe is taken, try John_Doe, John Doe 123, or John.Doe. Step 7. Save your username. Once you find an available username you like, tap Save in the top right corner. Important note, you can only change your username once every 30 days, so choose carefully. Part 2. Change your display name. Step 1. Return to Edit Profile. If you're not already there, go back to your profile and tap Edit Profile again. Step 2. Select Name. Tap Name, this is your display name that appears at the top of your profile. Step 3. Enter New Display Name. Type in what you'd like your display name to be. Unlike usernames, display names don't need to be unique. You can use your real name, a nickname, emojis, or any combination. Display names can include spaces and special characters. Step 4. Save display name. When you're done, tap Save in the top right corner. Step 5. Confirm changes. A pop-up will appear asking you to confirm. Tap Confirm to save your new display name. Important note, you can change your display name once every 7 days. Step 6. View your changes. Return to your profile page by tapping the back arrow. Pull down on the screen to refresh and see your updated username and display name. What's the difference? Username starts with an @ symbol, used in your profile URL, must be unique, changes every 30 days. Display name appears at the top of your profile, doesn't need to be unique, changes every 7 days. And that's it. You've successfully changed your TikTok username and display name.